Hi guys, in this video I will show you in just few minutes how to download and install any version of Python in your Windows computer. So let's get started. Before starting with this process, make sure that your computer is connected to the internet. Let's first of all download the file that we are going to use in installing, that is the Python file. But before we do this, we need to first of all know the bits that our Windows operating system is installed on, whether it is 32-bit Windows operating system or whether it is 64-bit operating system. So in order for us to do this, we can simply you can simply hold the Windows startup menu and click on the letter E on your keyboard, and immediately you do that, it's gonna open like this. Okay, so come to where you have this PC, click on that, and once you click on this, come to where you have the system properties and click on it. Wait for it to open, and once that opened, locate where you have system type as you have seen here on the screen. My own operating system is installed under 64-bit operating system as you have seen here. So check what you have here, because from this information, that is what we would know what to choose when we want to select the operating system base we want to install the Python on. So once you do this and you know your operating system bit, you can go ahead and exit this menus icon here. Okay, all right, so I just minimize mine. So let us now head over to downloading the file, the Python file. We can do this from downloading from Python official website. So open any browser of your choice. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Now on the Google search bar, type Python and hit on enter like this, like Python, and click on enter. Now click on the first link that you are seeing here, just like what you saw on the screen, and once that opens, hover your mouse on this downloads link as you have seen here. Now come down to where you have view the full list of downloads and click on that. Once that opens, drag your mouse to this other section where you have a list of different Python versions here. Now we want to download Python 3.9.7. The reason why I'm not going to download this very latest version, which is Python 10, is that after the release of every latest a version of software, there is always a possibility that bug fixes process is still going on. So you don't want a situation where after installing this Python version, you'll start having one or two issues. You can always upgrade the version later, but in order for us to be on the server side, let us at least download the version that is close to the latest version, which is in this case is this 3.9.7. Okay, so click on the download link here. Wait for that to open. Once that opens, use your mouse and just click on the scroll bar. Scroll to the very last where you have Windows installer 32-bit and Windows installer 64-bit. Now this is the reason that we first of all check the bits of what our operating system was installed on. So in my own case, since my operating system is 64-bit, I will go ahead and click on this. So select this particular link and click on it based on what your operating system is installed on. So I will just simply click on this. Then I will not want this to download again because I've already downloaded it. So in your own case, allow the download process to finish, and once that finished, locate it in the folder that it is being downloaded in. So as you can see here, I've already downloaded my own, so you can easily just click on the download folder come here, we just cancel this one. So click on this show in folder. All right, so once that opens, as you can see, this is my own that I've downloaded here, Python 3.9.7. so double click on this, wait for it to open, and once that opens, click on this customize installation like that, and click on next, allow other settings to be like that, and click on this install like this. It's gonna ask you whether you want to make changes for the device. Go ahead and click on yes that you want to, and wait for the installation process to finish. Okay, once you see this setup was successful, that automatically means that you are done with the installation process. So what you want to do now is to click on the closed button here to close. But in order for you to check and know for confirmation whether Python has been successfully installed on your computer, go ahead and click on the Windows startup menu icon and type the keyword Python like this. Now click on it for it to open. Now the Python shell has just opened here. So once you have this Python shell opened, type this word import SYS, which stands for system, and click on enter like this. So you can go ahead. We want to print information about our Python, so you can go ahead and type user and current, we can say current version like this. Okay, and is that version. All right, and hit on enter. Now as you can see here, that exactly the Python version that we just installed is what has been successfully installed on our computer. As you can see, the shell is giving us this information that current version is 3.9.7, which is what we selected earlier on, and it's even telling us the date that this Python version was pushed to Python official website here, even the time. So once you are done, you can exit this Python shell by typing the keyword exit like this and hit on enter. You are going to exit that. So this is exactly how you can install any version of Python into your Windows computer. If you find this video useful, subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and turn up your post on notifications so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified to always come check on it. And remember, I have Python courses that you can check on to start learning Python. So with that being said, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.